Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Om Riyaz Creations. So today I have come up with a quick and simple craft project for creating your own stationery. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get new video updates. So our very first DIY is this beautiful emoji cover. Now here I am taking notebook and going to cover it with white card paper. You can use any color card paper. I have covered this notebook with card paper. Now I am going to take yellow card paper and you can see I have drawn circles on this card paper. Next I am taking black permanent marker and with the help of the marker I am going to draw face expressions. To make emoji you can also use colorful markers if you want. As you can see I have cut these emojis. Now last thing to do is to arrange these emojis on the notebook and then stick it with the glue. And our book cover is ready. I think the make your own book covers are so much more fun than the ones at the store. Now this amazing paper folder is our second DIY. To make this we need two equally sized cardboards and few papers. I am taking another paper on which I have drawn lines, leaving 2 inches gap in each line. Now I am going to fold this paper in accordion fold. So here we need 2 paper folds like this. Now what I am going to do is I am going to take these papers and stick it well with glue. I have glued all the papers on the one side of the folds and now I am going to do this same method on the other side. Next we need these 2 cardboards and cover it with pink card paper. And now take marker, scale and start drawing the lines. So I have drawn these small squares on it because I thought it would look good. Also take these papers, place it inside the cardboard and then stick it. You can personalize your folder with stickers, drawings or subject specific pictures. And that's it. This DIY paper folder you can make in 10 minutes. Our third DIY is this amazing paper pencil case. To make this we need any color card paper. Now mark on this card paper according to the size you want. After marking, the pattern of your paper should look like this. Then make a star on the center part and stick some plastic on it. Now we need to take a scale and fold the paper with the help of the scale and then glue it. Next I am taking this green card paper, stick it to the top side and then cut the extra card paper. And our paper pencil case is ready. Now this to-do board is our last DIY. To make this we need cardboard on which I have made some markings. Now I am going to fold the cardboard where I have marked. And here we will get something like this after folding the cardboard. Now I am taking green color and going to paint this board with green color. Also I'm taking one clip to stick on it. Now you can take a piece of paper and write everything you are going to do all day on that paper and then attach it to the clip. And here our to-do board is ready. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on my Instagram where I post good pictures. My Instagram ID will be somewhere on the screen. See you all.